What is the total surface area of the hemisphere shown below? Now, the sphere, and I'm going to say notes here, because we're going to use the notes to help here. Notes. So the sphere is capital S, right? For the sphere would be 4 pi r squared, okay? But for the hemisphere, the total surface area, I'm going to go ahead and write down that we're doing hemisphere, is half of that, plus we have to find the surface area of this circle right up here on top. Has to be added in because that's part of the surface now. All of that represents surface area. So we want to take this, I'm going to go ahead and put S for surface area. We want to take 4 pi r squared, okay, and we want to divide by 2, and then we want to add in pi r squared. Remember, the area of a circle is pi r squared, and we notice that we have a segment that goes from one edge all the way through the center all the way to the other side. That's diameter. So the radius is going to be 12 divided by 2, and that's going to equal to 6. Just for the sphere. Okay, let me just finish that. That's for the sphere. Go make an arrow to let you know that I'm coming down here to show how this is supposed to work. Alright, so we're going to pull out the pi because it's actually we're going to replace pi with 3.14, right? Because up here in the reading it says use 3.14 for pi. Alright, so now we're going to take 4, coming up here, back up to here, 4 times 3.14 times radius squared, which is 6, right? We know that that was 6. Okay, divide by 2, area of that top part. That would be 3.14, okay, plus our times 6 squared. Okay, so when you go to your calculator, in my calculator, just like this, you get your control divide, you set up your first fraction, and then you put plus and then the area of the circle, and then that gives you your final answer.